Welcome to this week's version of Nickels and Dimes, our weekly video series. The quote of the week this week comes from Michael Dell of Dell Computers. What a genius visionary who talks about opportunities. And he says it's through curiosity and looking at opportunities in new ways that we've always mapped out our path. Looking for opportunities in new ways to map out a path. So why am I bringing this up today? Because most recently, you've probably seen in the headlines, an asset class that has skyrocketed in price. Many of you are investing in it, and many of you don't understand it and are staying away from it. And I'll get to what that is in a minute. But my question to you is, over the last 9 years, which asset class, meaning real estate, bonds, stocks, has been the best asset class over the long run? That has been better than gold, commodities, the bond market, high yield bonds, corporate bonds, treasuries, REITs, real estate investment trusts, small cap stocks, and so forth. And the answer to that question is Bitcoin. Now, I know some people don't understand it. It's absolutely understandable why. It's sort of a complicated technology, but the asset class that has done the best over the last 9 to 10 years, it is Bitcoin, and by far the annualized return of Bitcoin over the last 9 years, so since 2011, is 203.5% as of December 11th of last year. So let me repeat that. The annualized return from 2011 to 2020 of Bitcoin is 203%. Now, compared to the NASDAQ 100, which the annualized return is 20% in that same time frame, U.S. large cap stocks 13.5%, U.S. real estate 8.5%, investment grade bonds at 6.1%, gold, just to give you a comparative example, the annualized return over the last 9 years of gold is 2.2%. So Bitcoin, again, has been the best asset class over this period of time. Now, there's many reasons why. One of them is because many people think it's going to be a good long-term store of value, and there's other factors. I don't want to get into this video. It's beyond the scope. So my message to you today is, for those who invested in such an asset class years ago, they've obviously made a lot of money. If they're willing to deal with risk and volatility, you may not be interested in dealing with volatility like, for example, Bitcoin offers. For example, in 2014, Bitcoin was down 58%. In 2018, Bitcoin was down 73%. So this is something that is very volatile. But going back to the Michael Dell quote, opportunity is around us. The question is, are you taking advantage of it? Again, I'm not suggesting you invest in Bitcoin. What I am suggesting is you look at opportunities that maybe you're not taking advantage of. To that end, if you would like a second-hand opinion on your portfolio, and for us to give you some opinions on where there are opportunities in this marketplace, certainly risk management is the key. Mitigating risk, especially in such a volatile time, a time of uncertainty, would be key. You could send me an email at cnichols@nicholswealth.com, or you can go on our website at nicholswealth.com to learn more. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.